to our channel! My name is Gigi, and today we're going to learn about numbers and fruits while we draw and color them together. So grab your pencils! We will start by drawing 1, 2, and 3. Today we're starting a yummy adventure with, guess what? Apple! Here we have 1 apple. Apples come in many colors, red, green, and yellow. They keep us healthy and strong. That's why people say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Orange! Now we see 2 bright oranges. Wow! Count with me. 1, 2. Oranges are round and sweet, and sometimes a little sour. They grow on trees, you know. They're full of vitamin C that keeps us strong and helps fight off colds. Green! What do I see here? Are those kiwis? Wow! I have 3 fuzzy kiwis! Count with me. 1, 2, 3! Did you know kiwis have even more vitamin C than oranges? That's amazing! Now we will draw numbers 4, 5, and 6. Look here! I have 4 yummy bananas! Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4! They're full of potassium. It helps keep your muscles strong. And your heart beating happily. Guess who else loves bananas? Monkeys do! Red! together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 strawberries. They're heart-shaped, full of vitamin C, and super tasty. Green. Now we're at number 6. Do you know what fruit this is? It's a pear. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pears. They're juicy and yummy. Sometimes soft and smooth, and sometimes crunchy, just like apples. Now we will draw 7, 8, and 9. Golden yellow. Now we're at number 7. Yummy mangoes. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you know they're called the king of fruits? That's because they're so delicious. Mangoes are full of vitamin A. It helps keep your eyes bright and healthy so you can see the world clearly. Red! This is number 8. And look, we have 8 cherries. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They grow in pairs, side by side, like best friends. Cherries are packed with antioxidants. That's a big word for tiny helpers that keep us healthy and strong. Blue! This is number 9. Can you count how many blueberries we have? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They're tiny and round. Little blue jewels. Just like cherries, they have those tiny helpers called antioxidants. They keep us healthy and strong. And guess what? Blueberries belong to the berry family, the same one one used in many yummy desserts. And now we've reached number 10. Guess what fruit we're going to draw? Yeah, it's grape time! Purple. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Grapes grow in bunches, and they're so sweet. Sometimes we dry them into raisins, and we can even use them to make tarts. Next time, we're going to learn about shapes. So don't miss it. Make sure to come back for more fun. And hey, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for even more silly drawing and learning adventures. Okay, friends, see you next time.